Morning folks, I'm Campello Detectorist here. We're on the beach this morning in Campello. I've done this one before, but we've had a busy weekend, so I'm going to do a bit of metal detecting. Before then, we're going to have a bit of a laugh. We've got a few friends coming down, never snorkeled before, so we're going to do a bit of snorkeling. I'm going to do some underwater footage and things, but if I can get it on this video I will, if not I'll have to throw another one altogether. But here we go, this is the view this morning at 9 o'clock. And I bought a new smoke machine lock. This is so I can get ready for September. Lungs are feeling a lot better after a couple of weeks. But there you go, going around the rocks there. Say morning, mate.
Good morning.
There we go, Peter's going to go first. The AT Max. You'll not be able to hear anything. He's got his earpiece on. You got some of there? What we got? Where are you looking? What's it pumping out on the numbers? 29, I bet it's a bottle top or something.
Well, tap earlier was coming out 80, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Cheeky little bugger. So we found some already. What you got? Oh, that was fast. Already? That was well spotted. Okay, so we've got a bottle top. That's it. Cool. Back in a minute. Already. Oh, some finding away there. Big 50s. Okay. You got it already?
I think that was it, but it wasn't. It was just a piece of plastic.
Oh. Well, that's the smallest ring pull ever. Tell you what, that AT Max picks up everything. Okay, in the pot, let's see what else we can find. Okay, see that the pot? Okay, that was a quickie.
Ring pull.
Yeah, hang on. Okay. Another ring pole. Alright, in the pot. Right, we're knocking out at 74 here, so, and we're in, I can't see, all metal mode. It's out already. God, this is quick this morning. There we go. Oh, it's money. What we got? There you go, look. 20 cents. 20 cents. 20 cents richer than I was 20 seconds ago. There you go. Okay. In the pot. we've got one already. Paige is on the, oh, I've got it already. Oh no, it's not. It's gone. Oh, that's why it's off. There. There. Get your hands in there. It's gone. It's there.
Check my hand.
It's there. Well done. What have we got? Right, we've got a... Oh, I wouldn't want to stand on that, baby. Okay, we've got a bottle top and a piece of steel, nail, whatever. Okay, in the pot. This beach is loaded. You're on the one of the videos I've done the other week, and there's nothing. I'm just finding things straight away, which is pretty cool. This is deep. Sorry again. There's something definitely in there. Oh my god. What's that? No. He's still in there. The sun's rock hard now. What's that? No. Let's get in there. Oh, you got it. It's another penny. It's a right crispy one. I'm surprised you didn't find that last time I was here. That's an oldie. That's another penny, I think. Okay, in the pot. Keep going. Cushy day. What's he banging out?
50.
What?
50.
Oh, that's a goodie. Right, where are we? About there.
Right there.
Oh, something's hard. Go over it again. Still there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, these are some good finds this morning, really quick. We've got bits everywhere. I'll have to ground balance this again. No, we've lost it. Where was it going? I'll go over it again, Paige. Still there?
Yeah, there. Coming up to 60 though.
Right, I ain't got a clue where it is. Mind? Ah! Hey up. Good, thank you. Nails and pins. Oh, what have we got here?
Ball cap.
Oh, that is a rusty one. There you go. Okay. In the pot. Oh dear me. Bloody hell. That's very rocky, that is, isn't it? It's still deep. It's not going to be the steel out this wall, is it?
Probably. I hope it isn't though.
Yeah, well, here we go. Little teeny pieces of silver foil, look.
No, that's why it's going crazy everywhere. No?
No. I haven't dug in that yet, look, it's rock hard. Now I can see why you wear gloves. You there? I'm still digging. Oh, thank God for that. Oh. Been all that digging just for a bit of shandy. That's another top. Hang on. God, that was really in. That sand was really tight. Okay, let's keep this beach clean. That's deep, deep. Look. Level. That was that. 18 max. And I'm the sensitivity on 3. Okay, in the pot. Happy morning. Got seeds, got sand in bits where you shouldn't have. So it's time to go in the back in the sea again. Right, let's knuckle down and see what we've got. Look, another key. Right, bottle tops, bit of shandy. Another bottle top. We've got some ring pulls, which are hiding in the sand. Piece of steel and a handful of coins, look. There's some old ones in there. A couple of euros. That's another oldie. And that's what have we got here? So we've had a cracking morning. The people start getting on the beach now, so we'll stick that away. Look! The beach is clean. Anyway, thanks folks for joining us. Please like and subscribe if you like the view. Happy hunting, folks.